Imagine a device that transforms playtime into an extraordinary adventure, blending hands-on creativity with cutting-edge technology. Picture building intricate obstacle courses, controlling a smart robotic ball with just a swipe, and diving into immersive virtual realities that take you beyond the stars. Whether you're mastering thrilling stunts, engaging in epic battles, or exploring the depths of the solar system, this gadget offers endless possibilities for fun and learning. Curious to know which innovative tool we're showcasing today? Keep watching until the end to discover the amazing gadget that's set to revolutionize your play and education experience. Discover the excitement of axe throwing with Zing Toy Zax, the perfect gadget to bring fun and competition into your home. Designed to capture the thrill of the popular axe throwing trend, Zax offers a safe and engaging way for all ages to enjoy this dynamic activity. Each Zax is lightweight and expertly balanced to ensure smooth spinning and easy throwing, helping to develop hand-eye coordination. The Soft-Tech foam suction cups securely attach to various smooth surfaces like walls, doors, and bathtubs, allowing versatile indoor and outdoor play. Enhance the fun with the new Zax Target Pack, which includes 2 axes and a sturdy double-sided target for endless practice and friendly competitions. Perfect for holiday gatherings or everyday entertainment, Zax transforms axe throwing into a safe, enjoyable pastime that brings friends and family together. Unwind and sharpen your focus with FinGears magnetic rings, the perfect anti-stress gadget for all ages. These sleek silver rings help relieve tension and keep your hands busy, whether you're at work, school, or relaxing at home. Crafted from hypoallergenic materials and strong magnets, FinGears are safe, durable, and compact for easy carrying. Their smooth spinning motions soothe finger muscles and enhance fine motor skills, making them ideal for solo tricks or friendly competitions. Perfect for boosting concentration and reducing stress, FinGears magnetic rings provide a productive distraction during mental tasks. Their stylish and resilient design ensures they withstand daily use, seamlessly blending fun with functionality in your everyday routine. Ignite a passion for STEM with DJI's RoboMaster S1, an intelligent educational robot that makes programming and robotics fun for all ages. Combining AI technology with hands-on activities, the S1 transforms math and physics into engaging challenges, perfect for both classrooms and home use. The RoboMaster S1 features a modular design with 46 customizable parts and 6 PWM ports, allowing endless creativity. Its omnidirectional mechanism wheels, camera turret, and automatic tracking enhance its versatility, while support for Scratch and Python programming caters to all skill levels, fostering coding and critical thinking skills. Packed with comprehensive tutorials and projects, the S1 provides the resources needed to excel in robotics and AI. Durable and portable, it's built for daily use and easy transport, making learning accessible anywhere. Unleash fun with Robo Kombat Balloon Puncher, the battling robots designed to burst balloons and spark friendly competition. Featuring powerful fists, LED-lit eyes, and dynamic punches with sound effects, they are perfect for players aged 5 and up. Each pack includes 2 durable robots, remote controllers, 24 colorful balloons, and detachable goggles, providing everything needed for endless entertainment. Play solo against AI or challenge friends, in versus mode with easy setup, making it ideal for parties and everyday fun. Built for lasting enjoyment, Robo Kombat Balloon Puncher combines action-packed features with user-friendly controls, ensuring hours of exciting balloon-popping battles and laughter. Get ready to be amazed by the RoboMaster S1's cutting-edge features and endless possibilities. This intelligent educational robot is just one of the incredible gadgets we're showcasing. Stay tuned because we have even more innovative and exciting products coming your way that you won't want to miss. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below telling us which gadget excites you the most. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech and fun. Unleash intense foam battles with the Shelby Destroyer Foam Disc Blaster, the ultimate upgrade from traditional water guns and Nerf blasters. Featuring a 120-disc magazine that fires up to 6 discs per second at 130 feet per second. This USA-assembled, durable blaster delivers unmatched speed and precision in every match. Equipped with semi and full auto fire modes, 4 customizable power settings via the Shelby Force app, and a rechargeable lithium battery with LED indicators, the Destroyer is perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. The package includes safety glasses, 240 foam discs, and a charging base, ensuring fun and safety for all users. Pre-order the Shelby Destroyer on Indiegogo. Elevate your foam warfare experience. Whether battling friends or challenging AI opponents, this high-performance blaster guarantees hours of excitement and unforgettable action. Unleash indoor excitement with the Hogs Jump Fury, the RC car that jumps up to 22 inches and performs flips, spins, and wheelies without scratching walls, thanks to its zero-damage wheels. Built to withstand crashes, Jump Fury features a durable, lightweight design and a 2.4 GHz remote with a 100-foot range. USB rechargeable and easy to use, it's perfect for kids age 4 and up to master thrilling stunts safely. Ideal for holidays and birthdays, the package includes the Jump Fury car, remote, USB charger, and instruction guide. Enjoy endless fun and unforgettable adventures with extreme jumps and stunts for kids and families alike. Discover space like never before with the Solar System VR Kit, blending hands-on projects with immersive virtual reality. This interactive set includes a 40-page booklet, smartphone-compatible VR goggles, and a customizable planetarium model, allowing you to build and personalize your own solar system. Embark on 8 exciting VR journeys, from the Big Bang to lunar landings and Mars explorations. The kit's layered learning approach combines physical activities with virtual adventures, enhancing creativity and scientific understanding. Perfect for young explorers and science enthusiasts, the Solar System VR Kit makes an ideal gift for holidays or educational purposes. Inspire a love for astronomy and make learning fun with this engaging and unique kit. Ignite STEM learning with the Sphero Mini Activity Kit, a perfect mix of fun and education. This set includes the clear Sphero Mini Robot, construction tools, bowling pins, cones, and activity cards, allowing kids to build mazes and obstacle courses while boosting creativity and problem-solving skills. Control the Mini using the Sphero Play app with joystick, slingshot, and tilt modes, or explore coding with the Sphero Edu app through drag-and-drop commands and programming in JavaScript and Swift. The Mini also functions as a game controller for arcade-style games, ideal for both solo and competitive play. Designed for children aged 8 and up, the kit features the Sphero Mini, bumper cover, pins, cones, activity cards, construction set, and a USB charging cable. The Sphero Mini Activity Kit makes an excellent holiday or birthday gift, combining technology with hands-on learning to inspire the next generation of innovators. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll introduce another exciting gadget that sparks imagination and innovation.